Hello everyone, I am Professor Franco Grossi and I would like to answer a question. Why ergonomics? Ergonomics is an essentially practical discipline that helps the designer to find the correct ideas for his work. Imagine the architect in front of a blank sheet of paper. How to get started? What criteria to follow? What are the guidelines for an architect?
Zaha Hadid asserted that architecture is a truly well-being. I think people want to feel good in a space. On the one hand, it is a shelter. On the other, it is also a pleasure. Here, then, is where ergonomics intervenes to help the architect. It will tell us about the genius loci, that is the social, cultural environment in which we want to design. It will tell us about the users and their wishes and aspirations. It will tell us what the best use is expected of the design. Ergonomics presents solutions by suggesting paths and guidelines using the theories of all sciences in an interdisciplinary and holistic way. The ergonomic principles impose, in fact, a systemic approach on the part of the designer, providing him with a toolbox with which to start his work. Therefore, the interest of designers in ergonomics mainly refers to the design methodology, which is refined by the ergonomic approach, using the indications on user needs in a priori manner. It is a question of testing using already widely tested procedures, the needs, wishes, objections, and advice with feedbacks of users, and the final results will lead to a document with specific indication guidelines for the designer, who will have, at this point, very little chance of going wrong. The new ergonomic approach methodology, globality, participation, interdisciplinarity, anthropocentrism, holism, is becoming increasingly indispensable, especially in the current production of buildings, which require high investments in design and profitable entry into the market. The objective of the ergonomic project is to direct the search for an efficient, effective, and pleasant design, finalizing it to meet the expressive or latent needs of users, also limiting the gap between the conception, the executive design, and the practical realization of the works, and with a real cost and time savings. The architect of today must combine the mediation between the technological and spiritualist trends of our time. Ergonomics applied to architecture will be the driver and the facilitator to win the future architectural challenges.